I wanted very much to see this city, which has suffered by the malice of our assailants. I can see that it has had many of its fine buildings shattered and gutted, but I also see that it has not had the heart of its people cast down. The resolution of the British people is unconquerable. Neither sudden nor violent shocks, nor long, cold, tiring, provoking strains and lulls can or will alter our course. No country made more strenuous efforts to avoid being drawn into this war. But I dare say we shall be found ready and anxious to prosecute it when some of those who provoked it are talking vehemently about peace. It has been rather like that in old times. I am often asked to say, how are we going to win this war? I remember being asked that last time very frequently, and not being able to give a very precise or conclusive answer. We kept on doing our best. We kept on improving. We profited by our mistakes and our experiences. We turned misfortune to good account. We were told we should run short of this or that, until the only thing we ever ran short of was Huns. We did our duty. We did not ask just far ahead, but strode forward upon our path, and gently proceed to beg for sympathy, mercy, and considerable financial support. Now we do it all over again. Sometimes I wonder why. Having chained this fiend, this monstrous power of Prussian militarism, we saw it suddenly resuscitated in the new and more hideous guise of Nazi tyranny. We have to face once more the long struggle, the cruel sacrifices, and not be daunted or deterred by feelings of vexation. With quite a little forethought, a little care and decision, and with rather greater measure of slow persistency, we need never have had to face this thing in our lifetime or in that of our children. I have never given you any assurances of a speedy or easy or cheap victory. On the contrary, as you know, I have never promised anything but the hardest conditions, great disappointments, and many mistakes. But I am sure that in the end, all will be well for us in our island home. All will be better for the world, and there will be that crown of honor to those who have endured and never failed, which history will accord them for having set an example to the whole human race.